Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into the same Google account on both devices. This ensures photos sync correctly. Once signed in, make sure Wi-Fi is active and the device is charging to avoid interruptions. Open Google Photos, then tap Library and select Utilities to find transfer options. You do this because Google handles permissions and backups at the account level. Starting in Utilities puts the transfer workflow right in front of you so you can move to the next step immediately. You now pick what to move, open device folders or albums and tap each album or photo you need. Once selected, choose a quality. Original preserves full resolution. Storage Saver reduces file size to save quota. Make sure you review the estimated storage impact before confirming because that affects your Google storage plan. Then tap the Transfer or Backup button. Google will queue uploads, showing progress. Doing this avoids accidental data loss and controls how much space the transfer consumes. Once uploads finish, verify transferred photos under the Photos or Albums tab. You want to confirm full resolution and metadata. If transfer stalls, toggle Wi-Fi, force close and reopen Google Photos, or free Google storage by deleting large files, then retry the upload. Make sure backup and sync is enabled for continuous copies so future photos transfer automatically. You do this because verification prevents surprises, and these troubleshooting steps are the fastest way to recover interrupted transfers without losing images.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.